Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a kit from a Chinese company which I cannot say or consider as a bootleg because this is their original model kit. This model kit came from this company XIAOT or XIAOT, something like that, and this is none other than the Super Maneuver Armored Walker CAT-01 or CAT-01. So this is my first time to see and buy a kit from this company, the XIAOT or XIAOT. Yep. And I find this interesting because based on their website, this is an original anime or manga from China, but unfortunately we cannot see video or anime of this in our website here in the Philippines, because I think Chinese are not posting their animes online, so you cannot watch it by searching it on Google. So anyway, I am happy to have this kit, the XIAOT model kit from that anime, and let's build this XIAOT Super Walker CAT-01. Check this out. So the box art here shows the CAT-01. So this is a cat mobile suit. So this is my first time to see a cat instead of a humanoid mobile suit, and this is very nice because it breaks the usual human or humanoid type of robot or model kit, and this is a cat suit. So we can see here it's a blue there's a blue head, and there's a pink stripes on the forehead, and there's this eye lighting, and this mobile suit wears or wield a qatar claws, and it says here a 1/60 scale model kit, so it's a bit large, and what I know and search on the YouTube that it is about 16 centimeters tall, and it's the Super Maneuver Armored Walker from that anime or this Chinese anime, and it says here code shadow height 1020 centimeters from that series. The weight is 50 tons, team CAT, and the tactic, it's assassin. Yep, it's like a ninja cat, and the pilot is Wang. So there's this really an anime from China, and you can see in the side of the box, same as the box art here, also here same as the box art, and here we can see the rear view and the front view of the kit. We can see the head here. The head is where the pilot rides or drive the mobile suit. We can see the arm wearing the qatars. So this hydraulic weapon, it says, and it says beast joint. So the foot is like the cat hind legs, and it has kunai or throw weapons. These are kunai for ninjas. And the tail, we can see a tail for the balance system, it says here. On the other side of the box, we can see the anime picture of this model kit. We can see the front view of the kit, and this is the pilot. Pilot is a woman, and she's Wang, and she's sexy. See, she is hot gal here, and yep, we can see here no glue required, and it's from the Shopee Toys or XIAOT or Shopee Toys. So this is a counterpart for Japanese model kit companies. So if we open the box here, to be honest, I'm very happy to have variation of this kind of model kits aside from the bootlegs from Dragon Moko, Supernova, and Daban kits. At least Chinese has their own lines now, and based on my experience from building Chinese model kits, they are improving. In fairness, they are improving, and I'm beginning to fall in love in Chinese model kits now. And yep, this is remember this company, XIAOT or XIAOT. So if we open the box, we can see here the manual. So this is a nice manual. See, it's hard. The paper is hard, and it's colorful. We can see here the model kit. It's very nice. It's unique. It's a cat-like humanoid cat model kit. And there's this sexy Amber Wang, the pilot. She's cute. Yep, she's cute. And yeah, we can see some anime clippings here. And there's maps here. And yep, party time. And yeah, we can see the pilot sitting inside the head of the kit, or the mobile suit. There's this front view, rear view of the kit, and we can see parts list here. So it's not that much. I think I can finish this kit within 3 hours, 2 hours, or 3 hours, depending on my mood. And the printout is black and white, same like the Bandai way of printing manuals. So this is nice. We can see a simple building process of this. It's not complicated, and I hope the pegs are not that tight or not that loose. And yep, until here we can see some color guides for decals application, and yep, the features for the model kit, the gimmicks and accessories. So there at the back we can see the front view of the armored walker CAT, or they say it's SMAW, stands for Super Maneuver Armored Walker CAT. Okay, so this is from these are the authors. Yep, I don't know what's written on this, but yep, it's Wang Yui, Wang Yaming, and Wang Yunye. Anyway, let's go to the packs here. So we have big gray runners here for the armored walker. So there are shurikens here. There are swords, shuriken pieces here, and we have silver pieces here for the katars, the blades for the kunai, and the claw of the cat. And we have here blue pieces here with, this is wire, this is for the tail. Yep, this is metal wire with coating, and this is the scarf. I think this has a wire also in it, and this is for the joint parts. This is the decal and foil stickers. We have here maroon runners and white runners for the paws, for the hind legs. And we have blue parts here, navy blue colored parts for the armor pieces, and we have the hands and white pieces here for maybe these are for the armor pieces, I presume. And we have here a small poster And yep, we can see the armored cat here like a ninja. And we can see some poses here. There's this Chinese text. Unfortunately, we cannot read this. I cannot read it. And we have various poses that we can create after building the kit. I must also add that the box of this kit is really nice. It's really hard. See, the box is hard and thick. And the runners are well protected here, and I can say that there are no detached pieces from the runner here, from the tree here, and it's very nice. I salute this company, the XIAOT company. So as always, we'll have a quick runner review here before we build the kit. So we have here runner G for navy blue colored runner for the head. So there's this shouty CAT here written or engraved in the runner. So this is really nice. I cannot say that this is a bootleg. This is an original kit from China, same like the oldie kits from the Pioneer Kainar. And yep, we have here runner B for the gray parts here. We have here the sword, long sword and short sword. There's the shuriken, not shuriken but the kunai handles here. We have gray pieces here again for the inner frame parts. We have silver pieces here for the katars, the kunai blades, and some armor pieces here. We have a maroon colored runner for runner E. So this is for the armor pieces. We have runner I, and this runner I, we have two sets of runner I for the white parts or white armor pieces. We have runner H, two sets of runner H for this joint parts, and we have runner A for dark blue or navy blue colored runner for the armor pieces again. And finally we have runner D here, white parts for the hand. So mostly these are hand parts, and I think this is for the joint parts, and this is the dorsum part of the hand. And we have wire here for the tail. So this is a metal wire coated with this white bendable coat for this piece. And we have the scarf. This is tightly wrapped by plastic, so it's up to you if you want to apply this scarf, because it's the ninja outfit for this piece. And we have foil stickers and dry transfer decals. We can see here Shopee 160 scale model foil stickers. So again, we'll have a review video of this after I built this kit. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and runner review for this kit. And this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care. Happy Holy Week for everyone.